There's a secret behind seeing beyond the ordinary. Yes, seeing beyond the ordinary can be inborn, can also be enhanced, can be influenced, but you need to know the secret and you need to know the principles. So, due to popular requests and a lot of questions that have been coming, to us on the comment section and from private calls about how to go about having third eye open, how to enhance it, and the coconut water, 3 coconut water, 7 days, wash our eyes. It's not working for some people and it's working for some people. So, and I used to tell people that I am still working on other ways of enhancing this, enhancing your third eye, so that your inner man will be awakened. See, I've said it before, that there are different ways you can see things, but today I have brought another basic secret to share with us today about how to open your third eye. Okay, hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Medilock, and on this channel we seek for simple solution to life. Okay, so if you are just seeing me for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button, okay, and join this family, because here we learn about simple solution to life and we try to look for things that will help us without necessarily going diabolical. Okay, so we are one family. This is a very big family house. Yes, once you click on that subscribe button, you become part of this family and you're free to call me at any time. Yes, so guys, today we want to talk about how we can use this particular item, that is the power of the broken mirror. Yes, I brought this to us because I want us to talk about this. How do you enhance this? How do you use this to enhance your third eye so that you can see? Peradventure, you are not born with it. You don't have that talent to see. People have different talents. It depends on how you develop your own. Okay? Some people, they have their talent, they see through dreams. Some people, when they look at somebody like this, they see everything. Some, they sit down to look at your case and they see everything. And some, they hear voices speaking to them about your situation. And some have all this put together in one. So, which one do you have? And if you don't have anyone, don't worry. Okay? You will develop one on this channel. Yes. You will wake up spiritually and your eyes will begin to see things that you can comprehend. Okay? You will understand all the messages that you'll be getting, and you will also be able to make good use of it. Yes. If your nature of job warrants you to enhance your third eye, you will. Yes. You don't need to be a pastor to open your third eye. Yes. You need third eye to identify criminals. You need third eye to pass a good judgment as a judge. Yes. You need third eye to see things, to talk to your people as a pastor. You need third eye to watch over your family as a housewife. Yes. You need third eye to know the kind of people you deal with in your business, even as a businessman. So everybody has need for third eye. Okay, I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, you're welcome back. Now, how do we use this third eye? How do we use this broken mirror? And what type of broken mirror can we use that will be working for us? See, broken mirror, the one that somebody is using to look at, the one that people used to use to look at their face like this, somebody will just, this is, for example, now this is a mirror. Somebody will use it now to do makeup, to look at themselves, This mirror was being used by people. Then maybe, peradventure, the mirror got broken and they carry broom, sweep it, go and put it in the trash can and go and pour it away. The mirror you find on the road, not the one in your house, okay? The one that is broken and they don't have need for it again, they throw it away. It can even be a mirror like this, okay? It can be a mirror like this that is broken or is thrown away. If you find it on the street, you find it on the road, you're on your way to opening your third eye. Levels. Yes. See, when you find this mirror, what are you supposed to do with this mirror? And how do you use it to get results? Okay, so if you find this mirror, what you need to do is that you carry the mirror like this, clean it, wash it. Once you wash it with salt, remember, salt is a spiritual cleanser. You understand? Wash it inside water with salt, dry it. Then at 12 midnight, sit down. I know some of you sleep around 8 in the night. You're not serious yet. When you are serious, you will not be sleeping early. So, you will carry this mirror. Then, are you seeing it? This is the back, this is the front. You carry the mirror. Then you begin to talk to it. You are seeing your two eyes inside the mirror. You can see your two eyes inside the mirror. You talk and say what you want. I want God to use this mirror as a revelatory tool to be revealing things that are hidden, things that are unknown to men and even spirits. Let God use this mirror to reveal these things to me as I use it from henceforth. So, where do you put this mirror? You can put this mirror under your pillow. That is, you open your pillowcase. You put it under. When you put it under your pillowcase, you will be sleeping with it. So, it will come to a point in your life. From the beginning, you'll be seeing that your dream life will become clearer. Begin to see things exactly the way they are. Then, later on, it will become part of you. That anywhere you are, even if you didn't sleep on that bed, even if you didn't dream in the physical, it will begin to come up. When you are praying, you begin to see things. Okay? You begin to get revelations. You can get your revelation by seeing flashes of things that are happening to that person you're praying for, or to that situation you're praying about. Or you can hear voices speaking to you that this is this, do that. You understand? So guys, let's use this, okay, and see how God is going to help us. God can use anything to help us. So guys, please get your broken mirror today. Don't use the one in your house. Don't use the one, don't go and break it purposely, throw it away and go and carry it. No, you have to find it. Okay? You have to find it on the road. Any day you're able to find it, then you should know that you're on your way to opening your third eye. Congratulations ahead of time. Yes. Thank you and God bless. Bye.